Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. Many of you like to refer to it as Taco Tuesday, and that's why I'm here today. Today I wanted to share a recipe with you to where you can make your own taco seasoning, more than likely with things and spices that you already have in your kitchen cupboard. So thank you for watching. My name is Alicia. I am a personal trainer, a mom of 2 teenage boys, I'm a military spouse, and I'm a coach for Faster Way to Fat Loss. My passion is for men and women to look and feel their best through whole food nutrition and exercise so they can effectively give back to their families, their communities, their churches, and their friends. So, like I said, Taco Tuesday. Who doesn't love tacos? And many times I found myself wanting to make tacos. I usually always have ground beef in the refrigerator, but I didn't always have taco seasoning packets or taco seasoning mixes on hand. So I found a recipe that I have now created my own taco seasoning, and I know exactly what is in it. I don't have to worry about there being other additives or other extra things in there. I can mix it myself, keep it in this airtight jar, and have it ready for the next time we want to have tacos. So the ingredients that you need from home, I will post the ingredients below for you to have, but chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, oregano leaves, paprika, cumin, however you want to say it, salt, and black pepper. Okay, so those are the only ingredients you need. And a 1 tablespoon and a 1 teaspoon is all you need. So I'll post the exact measurements down below, but mixing all of those together, here I poured them into a Pyrex jar. This is kind of a double batch. So I've put in all the ingredients into here. Then I will simply mix that all together, put it here in my airtight container, and I have written on the outside just so I don't forget myself, but you can use 2 tablespoons of this mix and a half a cup of water per 1 pound of hamburger or ground beef or ground turkey, whatever you like to make your tacos with. So a couple things I did want to say about tacos is a lot of people think they have to give up Mexican food or they have to give up tacos to actually be healthy. And I did want to let you know that that's simply not true. You just have to be a little bit of strategic in how you're going to do that and how you're going to eat that. And in Faster Way to Fat Loss, we focus on intermittent fasting and carb cycling. So we don't eliminate carbs, we're just strategic about the days that we have higher carb days and then the days we have lower carb days. So if it's a low carb day, like it is for me today, in Faster Way to Fat Loss, I enjoyed a taco salad for lunch, but I had salad, I had my ground beef, that was seasoned with my taco seasoning, and I like to add lots of avocado. I added a few cherry tomatoes and I already mentioned avocado, a little bit of salsa, some green onions, cilantro, anything you like on your taco salad. So if I was eating it on a regular macro day, I may add a few of like multi-grain chips or quinoa chips just to have that little bit of a crunch that I like to have. Or if you have corn tortillas, go ahead and eat it with those. Corn tortillas are a great way to have it gluten-free instead of the flour tortillas if you do have an issue with gluten. But then on a regular macro day, I might add something like rice or beans. Just those are definitely higher on the carbohydrates, so that's why I would have them on the days where we're eating a higher percentage of our carbohydrates rather than on my low carb days. So anyway, those are a couple ways that I like to have my taco salad or enjoy tacos or steak and fajitas on the lifestyle that I'm eating, where we have the low carb days and the higher carb days. And I hope you enjoyed hearing the recipe for your homemade taco seasoning. It has helped me get out of a bind when I didn't think I had taco seasoning on hand. So again, I'm gonna post the recipe down below with the exact measurements so you can make it make it yourself from home, and hope you enjoyed the video, and you guys have a great Tuesday. We'll talk to you soon.